Alright, so hello to my frack family. Uh, we're going to be doing a review today about Alhambra's Immortal. Um, and this is what they call it. It's Jean Lo or Jean Lo. Not too sure exactly how to pronounce it. Uh, but this is the packaging. This is how it comes. It's got this the logo of Alhambra. And Alhambra is basically a sub brand of Latafa. And Latafa's been doing some really good perfumery lately. And so this particular perfume happens to look like this. This is how it looks. Um, Beautiful packaging, I have to say, and quite reminiscent of a line of fragrances that I'm sure you're familiar with, and those happen to be Louis Vuitton fragrances. And this is one of the few that it has been inspired by. Perhaps I wouldn't want to use the word clone. And this comes in this snug little fitting base, I should call it. It's 100 ml, and this happens to be apparently a clone of Limmensite by Louis Vuitton. Now, I'm not too sure whether it's an accurate one, and that's why we're gonna find out today by comparing the two. I've got a little sample here with me of Limmensite, and it's basically a 3 ml sample, and we've got Alhambra's Jean Lo Immortal. But before we get into that, I want to give you a disclaimer that I've already given this a full day wear, and I am not disappointed. So let's do like a live spray here, real quick. Left hand, we've got the Limmensite. Oh yeah, that smells good. Okay, now we're going to use this bottle of Alhambra. And this happens to be, according to other reviewers, quite accurate. So let's see. Wow. I've got to say that, right off the bat, you get that grapefruit and that mixed with the ginger. And you've got to know that this has, this is a citrus fragrance. This is a citrus dominant fragrance, and it's quite powerful. And I've got to say that this happens to be, I feel, a tad bit more stronger than what I have over here, which is Louis Vuitton's Limmensite. And oh geez, yeah. Okay, so right off the bat, I'd say it's kind of like it's almost there's a very slight difference. I wouldn't call it right off the air. If somebody was basically smelling this, it's identical. But if somebody was really to put their nose onto it, so I'd say like 85 to 90%, it's on spot. And this particular fragrance, I feel like it has been given me quite a lot of compliments. I mean, if you talk about the compliment factor here, I wore it twice for 2 days, and I got compliments from people asking me. Now they don't exactly know which brand or which designer it's cloning, and they don't exactly know which one it is because not a lot of people really wear Louis Vuitton fragrances as of yet. But at least from where I am, And so the ones, but it's a really it's a mass appealing fragrance, and people tend to really like it. And as for performance, it gives me a good solid 8 hours, I'd say. And I remember I took a shower with this as well, this with this one on, and even after the shower, it was coming out pretty strong. So yeah, I feel like this has been quite a steal. Occasions for this particular fragrance, I'd say it's um, I see myself wearing this to the office, to the work, um, and it's an all-round fragrance. You can pretty much wear it casual, dressed up, but I kind of see myself wearing it being dressed up. So if that's your goal, then yes, this is quite a steal for um, a I'd say $30 fragrance, and it is about 90% similar to Limmensite by Louis Vuitton. I'd say 80% spot on, and happens to be quite strong too. Performance is great, and I'd say go check it out if you haven't already. Um, Jean by Alhambra. So, seasons that you can wear this. This is a summer dominant fragrance. You can probably pull it off in the fall as well. If you live in tropical countries, if you live in a tropical country, then for sure you can pull this off in the fall as well. Might as well even in the winter, but definitely a citrus heavy fragrance. It's got notes of grapefruit, ginger, and bergamot, which come off right off the bat. Those are the top notes. Water notes, I don't get those too much. Sage, rosemary, and geranium. And in the base, it's got ambroxan, amber, lavender. Definitely get a bit of ambroxan and amber in the base as well. So if you're looking for a summer fragrance, this might just be it.